from what?
So today's topic is festivals. Why do we celebrate festival? Which festivals are celebrated in India, in our country, and which festivals we celebrate? You do not have to describe all the festivals, but a little of some festivals you have to describe. So I think you are ready. So I'm starting with Gaurav. Come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
तो कोई भी जाएगा नहीं, अपना बोल करके सुन लेना. अगर कोई बोल के चला गया ना बेटा, अगली बार सबसे लास्ट में नंबर आएगा उसका, समझ लेना इस बात को.
Yes,
कोई भी
sir.
जाएगा नहीं, कोई भी. Yes,
सर
come on,
किसी
Gaurav.
एक फेस्टिवल के बारे में बोल सकते हैं?
हैं?
किसी एक फेस्टिवल के बारे में या सारे?
आपको तो फेस्टिवल्स हम क्यों मनाते हैं, किसी एक फेस्टिवल की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं हम. पर B22 वाले कुछ भी किसी भी टॉपिक पे बोल सकते हैं.
किसी पे भी.
टॉपिक हमारा कोई पर्टिकुलर फेस्टिवल नहीं है. फेस्टिवल कौन कौन से होते हैं, क्यों मनाते हैं, क्या फायदा नुकसान होता है फेस्टिवल से, ये बताना है आपको. और B22 वाले अगर किसी एक फेस्टिवल को डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हैं तो वो कर सकते हैं. यस, कम ऑन गौरव.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Gaurav Verma. Today's topic is why do we celebrate?
आराम से बोला कर, थोड़ा सा समझ में
Hello,
नहीं आता है,
everyone.
क्या
I'm
बोल जाता है. थोड़ा आराम से बोला कर, थोड़ा सा समझ में आए बात तेरी. बोल.
Hello, everyone. I'm Gaurav Verma. Today's topic is why do we celebrate festivals? So, as you know that in every country, it's a tradition or religion to celebrate festival. Like in our Hindu religion, we celebrate Diwali, Dashera, Navratri, Holi, and many others. There are hundreds of festivals. We don't even know some of the names. And in Hindu religion,
हाँ.
and in Islam dharm, sorry, in Islamic religion there are Eid and I don't know many of them. And in Christian religion there is Christmas and I don't know about them. And there are many more. So we celebrate festivals on special occasions like if there is war between gods and demons. And I am talking about Hindu religion. And if you take example of Diwali, so you know that Sri Ram returned Ayodhya on that day. And if you talk about Dashera, there are two occasions on Dashera. One, that Sri Ram ji defeated Ravan and and Durga Mata defeated Mahishasur. There are two occasions. And in Navratri there is 9 nights. So it's called Navratri. Nav means 9 and Ratri means nights. 9 nights. And it is celebrated because there was a 9 nights war between Ma Durga and Mahishasur. And if we talk about Christianity, on Christmas, I think that there is birthday of Jesus, their God, and entity or a hypothetical man, Santa Claus, gives gifts to good souls or good humans on that day. And many other festivals. And what are advantages of festival? For kids, there is holidays on schools and other tuitions and classes. It's one joy for students, and also there is fun and celebrations and pujas, and also we can and on Diwali the main joy is firing crackers. And in Navratri the main joy is Garba. And in Holi the main joy is playing with colors. So you know that there is joy in every festival. I'm talking about Hindu religion, and I don't know, but I think that Christians celebrate Christmas in very joyful manner, like holding feasts and praying to their god Jesus
Hmm.
and many other things. But disadvantages of this festival on Diwali, if we don't use eco-friendly crackers, so there is pollution, and also many bad people do bad things like drinking and fighting and making making our country dirty by,
Hmm.
you know, that if we burn crackers there are black remains or their gunpowder on the road, so that's also part of making our country dirty. So, but if we use eco-friendly crackers and make an eco-friendly festival of all, and like on Holi, some people use permanent colors that can damage our skins and many other disadvantages. But it's our thinking of our people and their manners. If we if we can control this, and so you know that it will make our festival more joyful and more safe. That's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, नाइस एक्सप्रेशन बेटा, शाबाश। थोड़ा सा और क्लियर करनी है आवाज को, है ना बेटा? हाँ, ऐसे नहीं जैसे फिसलते हुए से बोल रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छा, नाइस डिस्क्रिप्शन, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। यस, कम ऑन विपिन।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic is festivals. India India is celebrated many festivals. There are many festivals like Diwali, Holi, and other many festivals. Diwali are religion written to Lord Rama Ayodhya, and Holi is religion. Krishna ji defeated Hiranyakashipu, and Dasara is religion. Sri Ram ji is defeated.
पैसिव बोल रहे हो उसको, इज क्यों लगा रहे हो? तो एक्टिव का सेंटेंस हो, उसको पैसिव बोल रहे हो। थोड़ा ध्यान करो सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे।
Okay, sir. Sri Ram ji defeated Ravan and Kumbhakarna. There are many festivals in India. Christmas is religion. Christmas is Christian festival. Hindus festival is Holi and Diwali. The main festival of India is Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan and Janmashtami and Dasara, etc. Diwali is celebrated on October and November.
In October and November. अब बोलो बोलो, घबराओ, कोशिश करो, शाबाश।
Because on this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya from forest. Diwali is 5 days festival.
सवाल बेटा, कोशिश कर।
Holi plays colors. Holi comes comes in March. Dasara comes in October. Raksha Bandhan comes in 15 August.
ऑन 15 अगर डेट आता है तो ऑन लगाते हैं.
Okay, sir. On this day, their sister tie Rakhi on their brother
To their brothers.
to their brothers. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया की कोशिश क्या करो बच्चे ना बेटा, शाबाश. सुना करो अच्छे से दूसरों को क्या बोल रहे हैं वो. जितना ज्यादा सुनोगे उतना ज्यादा अच्छा बोलना आएगा. सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am a student of the Ramban online interactive classes of B16. And today, again, I am here with a new topic, that is festival. So, as we know that we are living in Bharat, and Bharat is known for its festival and its culture, and for its forts and its food and dresses. And there are many festivals which are celebrated in Bharat, like Holi, Diwali, Teej, Tyohar, and Dasera, Rakhi, and Basera, Makar Sankranti, Rakhi, etc. And festivals are very important for a country because they represent the culture and the stories of past.
शाबाश.
And festivals are very important for a society because festivals bring the people together, and it is a sign of unity. And festivals also bring joy and happiness, and they remove our anxiety, stress, and tension, and we become very happy on these days. So in my view, festivals are very important. There are many festivals in our Bharat, and some of them are Diwali and Dasera, which are about to come. I tell you that why do we celebrate them? So first of all, I am telling the reason of Dasera. We celebrate Dasera because on this day Sri Ramji killed to Ravan, and also Durga Mata killed to Mahisasur. So it is day of victory on evil. So we celebrate these festivals. And Deepavali. We celebrate Deepavali because on this day Sri Ramji came back to Ayodhya after 14 years Vanvas. So in the welcome of the Sri Ramji, Ayodhya Vasi fired Deepak, and from that day we are celebrating it. And
कनेक्टिविटी गई. हेलो. हेलो सुशील. डिस्कनेक्टेड. ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. यस, कम ऑन इमानी.
Yes, sir. Good evening to all of you. I am Himani Singh from B22 in Ramban Interactive English Online Classes. today's my topic is Indian festivals. There are many festivals in Indian culture celebrate. India is the country where most numbers of festivals celebrated
आर
in
सेलिब्रेटेड
the
ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा हाँ।
in the whole world.
हम्म,
There are various type of festivals like cultural,
हम्म,
religious,
हम्म,
national festivals,
शाबाश
etc.
हम्म,
India has 3 national festivals. Are India has 3 national festivals as Republic Day, Independence Day,
हम्म,
and Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate many types of festivals like Holi, Diwali, Dashehra, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, Eid, etc. All of the festivals are important for Indians and their cultures. Festivals from different religious, different customs and traditions of that religion.
हाँ, शाबाश कोशिश करो बेटा वेरी गुड
Every religion in India exhibits equal value in society
कोशिश
from every aspect. Festivals bring a movement of joy in our lives and make us to be together to celebrate.
कोशिश करो शाबाश
All the festivals in India are celebrated with being neat and clean and making the house is also clean. Children of any religion are seen to be
आपको थोड़ा अपना नाम रुक के डालना चाहिए था ना थोड़ा सा 2-4-5 लोगों को सुन करके फिर नाम डालना चाहिए था आपको अपना
most upcoming festivals. Also, the students wait for the festivals as they get holiday to meet their family. The best things in India is that not the festival is only celebrated by the people associated with it, but also it is celebrated by the people of other religions as well. So, there are many festivals of Hindus like Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Dashera, Dhanteras, Green Day, etc. India is a festival of many countries.
India is a country of.
India is a country of many festivals.
Hmm.
People celebrate many festivals, all the festivals very happily.
Hmm.
Deepavali is celebrated in month of October. On this day, this is a festival of associated to God Ram. Holi is celebrated in March. On this day, we fire we do Holika Dahan.
ठीक है ना, we fire होलिका दहन, ठीक है, आगे
We fire Holika Dahan, and then next day we celebrate Holi by the help of colors.
with the help of colors.
With the help of colors and balloons. And on the occasion of Dussehra, we fire the Ravan on this day.
हाँ लिख दो बेटा. Today's topic is festivals. सुनो बस ध्यान से, समझ में आ जाएगा.
And on occasion of Raksha Bandhan, we tie Rakhi on our brother's hand, and our brothers give to us. So this is my idea for it. So that's it.
Nice बेटा, nice था. बट और थोड़ा सुन लेते ना, दो चार को तो और अच्छा करते. कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा किया आपने. वेरी गुड साइड. ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बेटा. वेरी गुड. सुशील दोबारा हो गए क्या बेटा? सुशील फिर से चला गया. ऐसी कनेक्टिविटी की इशू है. ओके चलो ठीक है, मैं फिर बुला रहा हूँ अब. हिमानी, सुशील, अंजलि.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is festivals. Festivals is important for our religion because they tell our culture and give the knowledge of past stories and other things. There are many festivals of Hindu Dharam. Festival is the festival celebrate with joy. On Diwali we fired crackers and lamps, diyas, and we wear new clothes. And Diwali is, तो इसको कैसे कहेंगे? दिवाली इसके लिए मनाई जाती है.
किसके लिए?
दिवाली
celebrated for this.
Diwali celebrated with joy and sorrow, but on this day the two gods kill demons. First Ma Durga killed Mahishasur and Lord Ram killed Ravan.
शाबाश ऐसे कोशिश कर बेटा. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
And one day we celebrate the both of sorry. We celebrate on one day Dashera. So, and we Ravan. Sorry, sir.
कोई बात नहीं,
Ravan.
बोल आराम से, घबराए मत।
Ravan is the king of all demons, and they destroyed our earth. So Lord Ram killed he and we get freedom from the demons. And Navratri is the 9 days festival. The means of Navratri is 9 days. And Ratri is it's night. 9 nights. But there is Ma Durga fight to the 9 form in every day and fight to Mahishasur with sir अलग क्या करेंगे?
हैं?
अलग
क्या अलग? पूरा बोलो सेंटेंस।
माँ दुर्गा अलग अलग अवतार में आकर उसे मारती थी।
माँ दुर्गा killed him, taking
क्या सर?
माँ दुर्गा killed him. माँ दुर्गा appeared in different form and killed him, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो आप, बोलो।
माँ दुर्गा appeared and killed Mahishasur in different forms. Okay. And Holi. I am talking about Holi now. Holi, on the first day of Holi, we do Holika Dahan. And on second day, we celebrate Holi with joy. Holi is made of celebrating the joy of killed demon by Lord Vishnu in his different form.
क्या हुआ?
Second. In the Christian religion, the Christmas and other of festival celebrate, and only one, the Christmas one.
ओके बेटा,
Christmas. On Christmas, the birthday of Jesus celebrated with the Christian people celebrate this. Yes. And some of Indians also celebrate this because India से कहीं जाती है उससे क्या कहें?
It's sad, बस पैसे वॉइस बन रहा है, बनाना सीखो।
That India's festivals of country.
India is country of festivals.
India is the country of festivals. India is the seventh. In Indian religion, there are so many religions. I do not know their name, but I know the dance forms do on the festivals. The festival first I know Navratri, Garba with Dandiya, and they also in Gujarat they made of very joy and do prayer. In Rajasthan also celebrate this Navratri. The Kanjak Puja
is people do fast for the 9 days.
हम्म,
That's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश करो बस थोड़ा सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे फोकस करो, थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस बनाने पे थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बेटा, ध्यान से अच्छे से, है ना बेटा? हाँ कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm a student of
किसी को
Ramban
भी मुझसे
Online
कोई बात
Internet.
करनी है तो व्हाट्सएप पे आके बात करें, या क्लास में नहीं। किसी को भी कोई मैसेज डालना है, कोई बात करनी है तो व्हाट्सएप पे आके बात करो, यहाँ पे नहीं। हाँ बोलो कबीर।
From today topic is why we celebrate festivals. As we all know that we in India India is a festival. India is a country of festivals. There are billions of festivals in India,
हाँ,
and if we count all small and big festivals, there are 366 festivals in the world.
कोई
World.
क्लास छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा, बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाएगा। हिमानी क्लास छोड़ के नहीं जाओगे आप, हर बार ऐसे ही करते हो आप, बिल्कुल नहीं जाओगे। बाद में जाना मंदिर आप। बोलो आप कबीर। कोई भी नहीं जाएगा क्लास छोड़ के, एक भी। मंदिर
Yes,
जाना है,
sir.
हमें भी जाना है, बाद में जाएंगे। बोलो आप कबीर।
There are different types of festivals like Diwali, Navratri, Holi, etc. They give us different information. Like we can see that in Diwali,
On Diwali।
yes, sir. Ram killed Ravan. Ram killed Ravan, and this give the information of that we do not do. Sir, घमंड को क्या कहते हैं?
Proud. We should not be proud.
We should not be proud over ourselves, because it is also harmful for us. And we can see that Holi is also related to it. And we can see that they all gives us different information, and we celebrate it with joy. our सर पुरखों का क्या कहते हैं? पुरखों को
Ancestors.
our ancestors are making our ancestors were making this festival, so we are also making this. It is in India it is known as parampara, like yes, sir. So these are the festivals which we make in India. Festivals are more very important for our society, because in it a human get rest from the work, from the all works, and and by festivals special unity established in the society. So we all should all should celebrate festivals in our country. Yes, that's it.
Very good. आज थोड़ा सा परफॉर्मेंस लूज था तुम्हारा।
Yes, sir. आज सो के उठ के आए।
Rather than other days, today your performance was a little bit weak. कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन कोशिश बहुत अच्छी की है। शाबाश लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is a festival. And India is a country where a lot of festivals are celebrated by peoples like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, etc. And festivals brings joy, pleasant happiness, and people can remain together with the help of festival. And Holi and Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the month of January, and the childrens and people fly kite in that day, and a lot of delicious food are made by women's, and and Holi is the festival of colors. People use colors and make a fun, and government give us a lot of holidays for celebrating festivals, and Raksha Bandhan is the festival where the sister tie Rakhi to their brothers, and brothers give gifts, and Diwali is a lengthy festival, and government give a lot of holidays to celebrate Diwali. That day the Shri Ram was returned from
वॉज क्यों रिटर्न करोगे, खाली वॉज रिटर्न क्यों होगा, आगे बोलते रहो।
Shri Ram returned from Vanvas to Ayodhya, so the Ayodhya's people lights diyas, and they celebrated it with pleasant, and
प्लेजेंट नहीं, प्लेजेंट तो एडजेक्टिव है, विद प्लेजर,
and Hindus are celebrated Diwali and Holi. Sir, Diwali and Holi's are celebrated by Hindus, and Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Celebrated by Muslims, and each festival has each sufficient, and a lot of festival are celebrated in India, and many type of delicious food are made, and in the festival on the festival we buy a lot of things like clothes, lights, and utensils, etc. and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे और फोकस करना है ना बेटा। हाँ, सभी को करना है, वर्क फॉर्म की सब ज्यादा गलतियां करते हैं अपन लोग।
Yes, sir.
काजल कहाँ गई? नाम तो काजल का ही था। काजल, अच्छा काजल नहीं है, चलो काजल को बाद में बुला लेंगे। गर्वित तुम आओ।
Yes, sir. My today's topic is festival. Festival is very important. India is known as the land of festival. We celebrate lots of festival in India like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Raksha Bandhan, etc.
Very good.
Diwali is the national festival of India. We celebrate Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan is the festival of Hindu. Christmas.
Are the festivals of Hindus. हाँ.
Christmas is the festival of Christians, but India also celebrate Christmas because India is the land of festival. We celebrate in Raksha Bandhan sister tied Rakhi. On Raksha Bandhan sister tied Rakhi on their brother.
To their brothers.
In their brother.
Wait, to their
on
brothers.
Their brothers and brother.
हाँ
to their brothers and brothers gave gift.
हम्म
In Dashera
बेटा ऑन दशहरा ऑन लो
we on Dashera we fire Ravan because Sri Ram defeat Ravan and Kumkaran.
हम्म
In Diwali we fire crackers and government give lots of holidays in Diwali.
हम्म
Holi.
हम्म
Now I talk about Holi. Holi is also is important festival of India. We celebrate Holi with happiness. We Holi with water balloon, pichkari, watercolors. We put color on other face.
हम्म
All of yes, sir, that's it.
ये कोशिश तो बहुत अच्छी करी हो, थोड़ा फोकस करो सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे थोड़ी सी, ठीक है ना बेटा, थोड़ी सी कोशिश करो, बस ठीक हो जाएगा। फिर काजल नहीं आई क्या? ओके, गर्वित हो गया। खुशी खुशी गुजर,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. I'm Kushi Gujjar. I'm telling about festivals.
हम्म
India is a land where are celebrated a lot of festivals. Festivals, as you know, that festivals is a very beautiful day for
सिंगुलर प्लूरल का
everyone.
ध्यान रखो,
Yes, sir.
माइंड में रखो थोड़ा सिंगुलर प्लूरल को। हाँ बोलो, आगे बोलो।
India has a lot of festivals, and festivals is a very important. Most of the festivals, uh, most of the festivals are declared as a holiday.
हम्म
Children enjoy holidays and a lot of fun.
हम्म
And India has different types of festivals. Like Diwali is a festival of lights and diyas.
हम्म
Holi is a festival of colors and fun.
हम्म
Eid is festivals of
फेस्टिवल्स कैसे आएगा? फेस्टिवल ही तो आएगा जब एक ही मैंने कहा, कह रहा हूँ ना, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान रखो। हाँ
festival of fair and delicious food.
हम्म
And Christmas is festival of uh, gifts and trees.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोला करो, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो।
Families cook delicious food and exchange gifts.
हम्म
Festivals help us reduce stress,
हम्म
and it helps us in so many things.
हम्म
We feel relaxed and we feel relaxed with quiet and free mind,
हम्म
and it helps us uh, सर वो सारी फैमिली मेंबर्स एक साथ आ
ऑल
जाते,
फैमिली मेंबर्स गेट टुगेदर।
all family members get together, and that's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, ऐसी बोलो, घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी, है ना। हाँ, कभी अच्छा कभी बुरा चलता रहता है लाइफ में, इसको ज्यादा अच्छे से बस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला करो आप। बस काजल आ गई क्या?
Yes, sir.
आ जा
Hello, everyone. My name is Kalmina, and today my topic is festivals. Uh, as we all know that India is a country of festivals, and know that there are many festivals are celebrated, and we can see that are so many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera, etc. And Dashera and Diwali is about to come, and we all know that festivals are very important in India because it is a way to closer to get closer to come to your
शाबाश
family.
शाबाश हाँ
We enjoy all festivals with our family, and we celebrate many festivals, and we enjoy them much, and it is a good way to spend time with our family, and in India it is a way to represent our Indian culture, and we celebrate many festivals, and all festivals are very important for us, and there are men in e- every festival. In back of every festival are so many stories, and they celebrated uh, in and festivals are celebrated here with joy,
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया
and we all know that Diwali is the biggest festival of India, and it is celebrated for 5 days, and we can see that, and also Holi is also a festival, and we celebrate Holi with colors, the balloons, etc. And
शाबाश शाबाश वेरी गुड
Makar Sankranti is the festival which celebrated with on this day we fly kites, and we make fruits and many types of sweets, and also we make sweets, and uh, we we burn many deepaks, and cracks we burn cracks, and there are, and also and all festivals are and we celebrate all festivals on their tradition, type of their tradition, and in India
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है बेटा बोलती रहे बस हाँ
uh, in India, we can see that festivals are most important, and because it is represent our culture and traditions, and or also it it is represent our feelings and emotions, and they and with with the with the with the these festivals, uh, as as we can see that there are so many festivals, and all people enjoy festivals, and there are so many festivals, and uh, people connect with each other, and their emotions also, and they celebrate festivals with emotion and their feelings, and with happiness,
शाबाश
and good way to uh, and festivals also look festivals also to or flow with our families, relatives, and our friends, and it is also in India festivals are most important, and they are celebrated with the emotion,
शाबाश
feelings, joy. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया है शाबाश वेरी गुड नाइस परफॉर्मेंस करते रहो बेटा ऐसे ही बस यस नाउ कल्पना
Yes, sir.
कहाँ है तू
Today my topic is
कैमरा चालू कर
festivals.
तेरा
सर नहीं कर सकती,
कोई
लाइट
बात
नहीं आ
नहीं
रही.
ओके ओके तू बोल बेटा
India is a land of many festivals. There are many festivals celebrated in India.
शाबाश बेटा बोलती रहे बेटा वेरी गुड बोलती रहे बेटा
Festivals bring joy and happiness to everyone. Holi is the festival of colors and fun. Diwali is the festival of lights, and diya. Festival teach us to love and respect others. Dasera is a famous Hindu festival.
शाबाश वेरी गुड
Dasera is celebrated after 9 days of Navratra.
अरे वेरी गुड बढ़िया शाबाश
Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of Hindus. It is celebrated in the month of August every year.
शाबाश वेरी गुड बोलती रहे बेटा
It is a festival of brother and sister.
बोलती रहे
That's it, sir.
अरे वाह यार बेटा शाबाश बेटा ऐसी कोशिश करती रहे बेटा
Thank you, sir.
किरण
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा
My name is Kiran Berwa. Today's my topic is festivals.
हाँ बेटा
Festival is very important and necessary
हाँ
because some people are meet their family during festivals. There are many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, Navratri, etc. Makar Sankranti is celebrated month of August.
इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त थोड़ा सा फोकस कर बेटा हाँ
The month of August.
आराम से घबराए मत बहुत बढ़िया बस आराम से बोल कॉन्फिडेंस से कम ही बोल कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बेटा बोल
Some people fly the kite in the sky. And Diwali is very important and necessary.
शाबाश शाबाश घबरा मत छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बोल बेटा बिल्कुल मत घबरा तू हाँ
Children fly crackers on Diwali. We eat sweets and pakoras, etc.
शाबाश
We worshipped
ये वर्षिप
goddess.
नहीं प्रेजेंट में आएगा ना पूरा बेटा
We worship
हाँ ऐसे ध्यान रख थोड़ा
goddess Lakshmi and Ganesha.
गणेशा नहीं गणेश ही होता है वो हाँ आगे बोल हाँ
Festivals is very important because children are a lot of enjoy on festivals. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, ऐसे ही बोला कर बेटा, तू कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला कर, चाहे तू कम बोले वैसे,
Yes,
ठीक है ना
sir.
बेटा। हाँ, हड़बड़ाहट तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं होनी चाहिए, चाहे तू 2 मिनट ही बोल के चली जा, ऐसे 1 मिनट ही बोल के चली जा, ऐसे बोला कर, बस कोशिश किया कर बेटा, है ना।
Yes, sir.
शाबाश। नाउ दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ, आज तो छोरी छोरी बहुत कम है। इसके बाद है सिमरन, आजा बेटा, ये भी गई दिखती है, आजा
Yes, sir. आवाज आ रही है?
आजा, आवाज आ रही है बेटा, बोल।
Everyone, good evening. I'm Sunan, and today I'm telling about festivals. As well, you know that India is a big country, and there are celebrated many festivals, and Diwali, Holi, Durgashtami, Dasara, and Ganesh Chaturthi are festivals of Hindus, and Christmas is festival of Christians, and Eid is festival of Muslims, and all of festivals is meant in give happiness and joy.
शाबाश बेटा।
And first of all, I'm telling about Diwali. Diwali is the festival of joy and happiness, and it is festival of light. Because on this day, we are decorated our house and hope, and Diwali is 5 days festival, and on this day we make many sweets, and on this, and in the evening we worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh, and next I'm telling about Holi. Holi comes on March, and it is festival of colors, and I'm telling about Eid. Eid is the festival of Muslims, and it is the festival of brotherhood, and
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, घबराए बिल्कुल मत।
Ganesh Chaturthi.
हाँ बेटा, बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, बस कर दे यहाँ।
Ganesh Chaturthi is a most famous festival of Hindus, and it is 11 days festival, and it is तो समर्पित को क्या बोलेंगे?
हाँ बेटा,
समर्पित,
डिवोट,
it is
डिवोशन, अब क्या बोल रही है वो देख ले, बना ले उसके हिसाब से।
to Lord Ganesha, and it is started on Ganesh Chaturthi, and on Anant Chaturthi with Ganesh Visarjan,
शाबाश शाबाश।
and next I'm telling about Dasara. Dasara is the festival of Hindus, and it is celebrated Hindus because this day we remember to we offer goods over evils and uh, all Indian old festivals represent culture uh, um, and we we can see that uh, whole festivals uh, we celebrated with joy and happiness.
शाबाश यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, घबराया मत कर तू बिल्कुल भी। एक तो है ना, अब काफी तेरा डर निकलने लग रहा है बेटा, बिल्कुल बढ़िया करने लग गई है, अब चिंता मत कर तू, है ना। हाँ अनु,
Sir. Hello everyone. My today's topic is. Sir, बोलो.
बोल बेटा, थोड़ा सा कैमरा ठीक कर, थोड़ा सा मोबाइल को सही रख, जो शक्ल दिखाई दे तेरी। हाँ ऐसे, हाँ ऐसे बोल बेटा।
Hello. Hello everyone. Good. Sir, कुछ भी नहीं. Hello everyone. Today's topic is festival.
माइक बंद करके, कैमरा
Festival
बंद
like
करके बोल,
Diwali,
कैमरा
Holi,
बंद करके बोल,
etc.
अब बोल,
Starting from.
बोल बोल बोल।
Hello everyone, my today's topic is festivals. There are many types of festivals like Diwali, Holi, Navratris, etc. Let me discuss with you in detail. I am discussing detail with you. First I am discussing Diwali. On Diwali, we worship to Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi. We fire crackers and light diya on Diwali. We also offered sweet to our neighbors, and neighbors offered sweet to us.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। हाँ
We share our happiness to others, and others share their happiness to us.
अरे वाह यार, अच्छा बच्चा है।
This is the festival of lights. And now I am discussing Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. That you know that India is the country of festivals. On Holi, there are 2 days of Holi. On the first day, we worship to God.
वर्शिप नहीं, वर्शिप के नहीं आता बेटा।
Okay, sir. Worship to God. And on the second day, we celebrate our main occasion, Holi. On the Holi, we... Sir, कलर लगाने को क्या कहते हैं?
क्या बेटा?
कलर लगाने को.
अप्लाई लगाने को अप्लाई बोल लो, कलर तो है ही है, कलर इंग्लिश में ही.
Okay. We apply color on faces of everyone and we celebrate Holi very happily. And the main sweet of Holi is gujia. I hope everyone like gujia. At the last, I would to say festival means to share happiness, not means to click photos only. हो गया सर?
शाबाश यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा यार, बहुत अच्छा करने लग गया बेटा तू यार, वेरी गुड. यस वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today we have a very common topic whose name is festival. You know that India is the land of festivals. And there are many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Eid, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. And I'm telling about the Diwali. You know that Diwali is the big festival of Hindus, and And on this day, we worship goddess Lakshmi and Ganesh ji, and we fire crackers on this day, and we wear new clothes, and we purchase utensils and other home accessories, etc. And Diwali brings the prosperity, joy, and happiness. And I love Diwali so much because it is my favorite festival. And you know that Navratri festival is going on, and we worship nine uh, nine goddess like Durga Mata and Vaishno Devi Mata and Durga Mata, Vaishno Mata, and etc. And I'm telling about the Raksha Bandhan. You know that this is the day of brother and sister. Sisters apply tika to their brothers, and they tie the rakhi to their brothers, and and the brothers give gifts to their sisters, and they promise to their sisters that they protect protect their sisters from the uh, from the bad
Situation.
situations, bad situations. And now I'm telling about the Holi, and you know that Holi is the color of the festivals, and and on this day, there are two. This festival is going for 2 days: Holika Dahan and Dulandi. Holika Dahan, on this day, people so लगाते को क्या बोलेंगे?
लगाते
लकड़ियां
हैं।
लगाते हैं ना? लकड़ियां क्रॉस रोड्स पे लगाते हैं.
हाँ तो सेट कर दो, कीप वुड अरेंज कर दो, यहाँ पर आप अरेंज भी यूज कर सकते हो आप.
People arrange the woods at the crossroad
शाबाश.
and they fire. And the next day is the Dulandi, and in this day we put the old clothes, and we play with colors, and we play with gulal, pichkari, etc. And Makar Sankranti. Uh, Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the month of January, and it is celebrated on the date 14 January. And on this day, we worship the uh, sun, and and in the homes you can see our mother and grandma prepare गाजर का हलवा, तिल के लड्डू,
हाँ.
दाल की पकौड़ी,
पकौड़ी, लड्डू.
yes,
बोल. हाँ.
etc. And we go to the terrace and we fly the kites, and we play decks, loudspeakers, and we enjoy the festivals with our family, and festivals brings the prosperity, joy, happiness, and it is good for human beings because we do many lots of works, so we want to rest and relax. So that's why we celebrate the festivals. That's it, sir.
शाबाश यार बेटा, बहुत अच्छा हो गया तेरा तो सब कुछ है. वेरी गुड यार, वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा, गुड गोइंग, कीप इट अप बेटा. यस, नाउ मीनू.
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा.
Hello, everyone. My name is Meenu. Today I'm telling you about festivals. India is the country of festivals. It is a diverse country, so full of different culture and religious live here. There are lots of festivals celebrated in different states of India according to their culture and tradition.
Hmm.
Diwali is the biggest festival in Hindu culture. नहीं sir, ये line नहीं. There are lot of festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, which is celebrated by their cultures. Diwali is the biggest festival among in the Hindu culture. This festival brings happiness and joy among peoples. This festival is a festival of lights on darkness, and this festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Rama. The second famous festival is Holi. Holi is the festival of colors, which is celebrated in the memory of Lord Prahlad. Unity and live together. So there are many festivals which brings happiness. So festivals is a part of our life which makes us happy. We have to celebrate all festivals with very with very joy, and remember the memories which we collect during festivals. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sisters, in which sister apply Rakhi to the brother and brother gives her a promise that he should be always with her. That's like many festivals we celebrated. That's it, sir.
Okay. ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश करते रहो ऐसी. Very good. And now I am calling, I think, मुस्कान. कोई भी ग्रुप में मैसेज नहीं डाले और ना यहाँ पर कोई मैसेज डाले. कोई भी बात करनी है तो मेरे को पर्सनली मेरी आईडी पे मैसेज भेजेगा. यस मुस्कान.
लिखना है ना.
मुस्कान. I think she is not here. Harshit.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please clear me? Is the topic a festival or particular festival?
No, not particular festival. केवल festivals और बहुत छोटा सा बोलना है.
Oh, okay, sir.
बोल बेटा.
So yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Archit Moore and today's my topic is festivals. So before going to the topic, we must know what is a festival. So festival is just like an occasion which is very important for us, and according to our religion, that is very important date and occasion for us. And mostly that is celebrated in the memory of lords or on special occasions, like we can see Diwali, Holi and Makar Sankranti. These all are related to some occasions that took place in our history. For example, we can take the example of Diwali, which is celebrated for Lakshmi Mata, Ganesh Ji, and of many lords. And we can see that nowadays festivals are going too much aesthetic, and we can see that there are many things that take place on festivals. Like we can see that there are many new things, and sometimes there are old things on some festivals. So in our Hindu calendar, there are literally many festivals for us to celebrate, so that we can remember our history and our God, and we cannot forget them, and we should be a devotee, so that we can be linked to our God. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash beta. Just come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Maurya and today I am telling on the topic that is festival. We know that what is festival or what are festivals. We know that these are the ways by which we can remember and collect our cultural heritage and traditions. Because every festival is connected to our religion and to our religion and culture. Like in India, we know that people of different cultures and different religions live together, and India is a secular country. So there are a lot of festivals celebrated in India according to the religion of people, and we know that from the starting to the end of the year, many festivals come and people celebrate them with joy and happiness. And we know that there are many festivals like Makar Sankranti, Holi, Ram Navami, Janmashtami, and Ganesh Chaturthi, and Diwali and Raksha Bandhan, etc. There are many festivals in our Sanatan religion, and also there are many festivals in India that are celebrated as national festivals, which are Independence Day and Republic Day, and we know, and festivals are celebrated by a lot of joy and happiness, and every festival has its importance and the way of celebrating the festival. And uh, and on the festivals are a way to remember to remember our culture, that what had happened in our past and why do we celebrate these festivals. And uh, and festivals are a way to be to worship our god and goddesses, and to से भक्ति करना हो, क्या बोलेंगे, worship.
हाँ, वर्शिप में क्या दिक्कत है, डिवोशन भी कह सकते हैं,
And
डिवोट करना.
and festivals are a way to devote our god and goddesses. And we know that festivals bring prosperity in the country, and festivals are very important for every country, and we all should celebrate festivals. And that's it, sir.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. Now Rohit, Harsh.
Yes,
रह गया
sir.
हो तो नाम डाल देना भैया, आपने कोई रह गया हो तो फटाफट से. हर्ष, लास्ट चल रहा
Yes,
है.
sir.
हाँ.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today my topic is festivals. As we know that we are living in India, and India is a secular country, which means that India do not promote any one religion, and there are a lot of festivals of all the religion in the country, which makes India a country of unity and diversity. So first of all, the festivals are the occasions or moment which are related to our gods or to our country, which we celebrate in remember of them. Like there are many festivals in India: Eid, Holi, Makar Sankranti, Diwali, etc. And and in the festivals we celebrate with our many festivals we celebrate with our relatives, and many in our schools, and also many in our society. In this way we can meet to many other persons and also enjoy and remember that these moments in our life. And festivals are important because they give us time to be stress free, because here we have no stress, no work, no burden, only a holiday where we are with our friends or our relatives. So to my mind, I think that there should be a lot of festivals in a year, so that there are many moments where we can refresh our mind from stress and anxiety. That's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Jajan. Today I'm going to tell you about festivals. So, as we all know, that festivals are very important in our life, and in India, festivals are the main thing that join people, that combine people, that connect their feelings with a common day, with a common festival. People celebrate festivals due to many reasons. Sometimes because there are some moments. There were some moments in the past
of the god and goddesses that make a day festival and important in a year. So in our India, we can see that there are different cultures and communities who have their own festivals. If we see according to Hindu calendar, Hindu Mahasabha calendar, then we can see that almost every day has any festival. And festivals play a very important role in our life as it creates memories among the people. And when we are enjoying our festivals, we should also enjoy them happily and with an enjoyment with our family, so that our family can also feel good. And on the occasion of festivals, the family members who are living far from the houses come at one house and celebrate the festival, where there is no stress, no workload and no workload, and only you and your family celebrates, creates memories.
Very good, शाबाश. अनुज, रह गया
Yes,
तो
sir.
कितना लास्ट है बस अनुज. Yes, अनुज.
Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today my topic is festivals. India is, you all are familiar with the diversity of India. India is the most diversity country in the world because there are many types of people, many types of religions are there, many types of languages are spoken there, and also many types of festivals are celebrated here. And from the starting of a year to the ending, there are a lot of festivals are celebrated, and every festival has a reason behind it, behind celebrating it. Like first of all, when the year starts, we celebrate Makar Sankranti, and then there are like Holi, Diwali, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Shivratri, etc. And all the festivals makes us happy and bring joy to us. And and on the day of the festivals, there is a national holiday for all the citizens and all the people of this country. And there are also 3 days that are also called as festivals, like Independence Day, Republic Day, and 2nd October means Gandhi Jayanti. And the Gandhi Jayanti is about to come, and Diwali is also about to come, and Diwali is the biggest festivals considered according to Hindus, because this day has a big history and the great history behind it. And many festivals are related to the gods, but many are not. I think like Makar Sankranti, but as well as all are related to something religious or spiritual. And festivals are not only celebrated in India, but every country has its own festival. I'm telling you the one and most funny festival of a country, that is Spain. In Spain, as we celebrate Holi, so there is the Holi of the Spain is celebrated with tomatoes. The trucks are full of tomatoes and they smash to each other, and they celebrated this as we celebrate Diwali. And we should always participate in all the festivals, and we try to be happy on that day, and we should remember God on that day. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, अच्छा बोलने लग गए बेटा. Very good. If there is anyone Who hasn't taken his turn, his or her turn, may come. But if not, then I think that all have taken their turn. Thank you very much.